Here are 4 facts about sound waves and frequencies. Number 1, the human brain interprets sound waves based on their frequency, amplitude, and other characteristics. When vibrations are faster, we hear them as higher. When vibrations are slower, we hear them as lower. Number 2, there are sounds the human ear cannot hear but can still feel. Horror films use this tactic to produce shaking and generate nervousness from their audience. Number 3, the 3 smallest bones in our body is located in the ear. Combined, they are a size of a pea. Number 4, unlike Earth, space has no molecules. Because of this, sound waves are unable to travel, making space completely silent.